Welcome to our VirtuaLaw Legal Analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning, application and sample case of Doctrine of Attractive Nuisance. Let's dive right into it. The doctrine of attractive nuisance is a legal principle that applies to premises liability cases, typically involving landowners or property owners. This doctrine is designed to protect children who are unable to comprehend the dangers of certain conditions or objects on someone else's property, even if they are trespassing. Meaning. The doctrine is based on the recognition that certain man-made conditions or objects on a property may attract the curiosity of children, enticing them to enter the property without authorization. These conditions or objects, referred to as attractive nuisances, may include swimming pools, abandoned construction sites, machinery, playground equipment, or other potentially hazardous features. Application. The doctrine of attractive nuisance extends the duty of care owed by a property owner to children, even if they are trespassing. The key elements that typically need to be met for the doctrine to apply include 1. Attractive condition/object. The property must contain a condition or object that is likely to attract children due to its appealing nature or inherent curiosity. 2. Child's inability to comprehend danger. The condition or object must present a potential danger to children because they are unable to fully comprehend the risks associated with it. 3. Property owner's knowledge. The property owner must know or reasonably should know that the condition or object is likely to attract children and poses a risk to their safety. 4. Failure to take reasonable precautions. The property owner must fail to take reasonable precautions to eliminate or minimize the risk posed by the attractive nuisance. If all these elements are present, the property owner may be held liable for injuries sustained by a child who is attracted to the nuisance and suffered harm while on the property. Sample case. Case: ABC Construction Company is working on a housing development project. During the construction process, they leave a large, unsecured excavation pit on the site due to circumstances. The excavation pit is deep and contains rainwater, making it look like an inviting swimming pool to children passing by the construction site. One day, a group of neighborhood children, unaware of the danger, enters the construction site to play. Unfortunately, one child accidentally falls into the excavation pit and suffers injuries as a result. In this case, the doctrine of attractive nuisance may apply. The excavation pit, with its appearance resembling a swimming pool, acts as an attractive nuisance. The construction company knows or reasonably should know that children might be drawn to the area and that the excavation pit poses a significant risk to their safety. However, they failed to take appropriate precautions to secure the site and prevent access by children. Due to the application of the doctrine of attractive nuisance, the construction company may be held liable for the child's injuries, despite the fact that the child was trespassing on the property. The rationale is that the company had a duty of care to take measures to prevent children from accessing the dangerous area, given its attractive and hazardous nature. It's important to note that the application of the doctrine of attractive nuisance may vary, depending on the specific facts and circumstances of each case and the laws of the jurisdiction in which the case is heard. Courts will consider the factors involved and determine whether the property owner's actions or lack of action met the standard of reasonable care to protect children from harm. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.